Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thanks for coming here to learn the dance Delulu. It is a 32 count, low intermediate line dance. It's 2 walls. It does have one tag that is done twice, and it's a 16 count easy tag done twice, so that makes it a total of 32. That'll make sense when I teach it to you. So I'm going to get started by turning around, and clearly it looks like Scully's going to be keeping his eye on me today in this position. So let's get started, okay? All right, Scully, you ready? So I'm going to be moving to my right. Take my toe. This is what the step looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how am I doing that? As I'm tapping my toe in, I'm swiveling on the ball of my left foot. So the movement takes place on my left. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot is 2 kick step points. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that's your first count of 8. From here, 2 sailor steps, crossing behind, open, open, behind, open, open. Going right away into heel jacks, cross, step, heel on a diagonal, step, cross, step, heel, step. And you're on the diagonal. Let me go over that, just the heel jacks for you. Right, left, heel, right, left, step, heel, step. With the counts, with the 2 sailor steps into the heel jacks. The right foot will go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Weight it on your left, and you are at 10:30 right there. Okay? So let's go one more time from the top with counts, and then we'll go on. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 2 sailors. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So I hit and, put his head down. Is that good? Okay. Third count of 8 travels to this corner to start. So you stepped here, right? You put that weight on it here so that you can step on your right foot, and we're going to the diagonal. You have a right, left, kick your right cross toe. Okay? So we're going to go walk, walk, kick, step, toe. Take this and you're going to unwind all the way to the left. You don't quite get to this way, but you're going to finish it off with a kick, ball, cross. Okay? Now I'm going to count it for you so you can see how that works. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 counts. 5, my weight goes on my left. 6, 7, and cross. Okay? From the top slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe 1 and 2, 3 and kick. 5 and 6, 7 sailor step. 1 and 2, 3 heel jack. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 walk. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn 6, 7 and 8. Weighted on your left. Okay? From here, we're going to be traveling to the right. I'll do it this way for you. You step out on 1, take your left foot behind on 2, and then and 3, and touch your left. Let me show that to you this way so you can see what that looks like. I'm going to go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. You see I've got a little bounce going on there, and you'll hear that with the music. Da da ba da ba ba. Now you'll be here, right, for count 4. We want to get, again, it's only 2 walls, so I have to get to 6 o'clock. I take my left foot, follow my left shoulder, turn a quarter left. Keep turning left as I rotate and step back on my right foot. I'm at 6 o'clock. The left foot does my coaster step, back together, forward. Back together, forward. So that last part, after I've done my little traveling, goes left foot quarter, right foot back, coaster step. So if I'm doing it this way, just so you can see it, we won't do it at this wall, but so you can understand what the direction is. If I did this, I would go here, here, coaster step, so that way you can see. And you finish at this wall, and then you start the dance again until it comes up to that fabulous tag, okay? So let's go ahead and go from the top, and we'll do it at both walls. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, a 5 and 6, a 7, 2 sailors, 1 and 2, 3 heel jacks, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, a 3 and 4, turning 5, 6, a 7 and 8, step 1, 2 and 3 and 4, go 5, 6, a 7 and 8, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, a 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, a 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, a 7 and 8, go 1, back and touch, 5, 6, a 7 and 8. Okay, so when I was doing that on one of the sides, I'm not sure if I really stepped on count 4 going this way. It's here, not here. So if I was messy, count 4 is here, okay? Now, there's a tag, and the tag happens at wall 9, okay? And we are going to do this. You finish, wall 9 is here, so you've danced it all the way around, and so instead of starting wall 9, you step forward 1, 2, turn 3, 4, step 5, 6, turn 7, 8. 4 counts to drop down as low as you can go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add a little twisting to it or something to it if you want for 4. You rise up on 5, 6. Take your right foot over on 7 and turn. You do the exact same thing, but now we're at 6 o'clock. So we step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 counts down. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 5, 6, cross 7, 8. Oh, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and you start it all over again. And you only do it once, and once again, that's at wall 9. Some dancers choose not to do the tag and dance right through it. And it works because, once again, the tag is 32 counts, okay? And so it will work out for you. So when you start the tag, it's a step turn and a step turn. And I always will teach the tag if that's the way it's choreographed, okay? So I'm going to turn around so that we can do this with a little bit of music. Here we go. That's pretty long intro. My best not to step this off. Everybody?
Kidding. You got me woke up. The way you roll up, sticky like okra. Just let me coach ya, show you about my culture. It's a late night show like Copeland. This party ain't over. Don't feel it here. And grab your friend by the hand. Let me know if you down. Body like playmate of the year. I might make that play of the year. I don't know if we're gonna play fair, but I think that you and your girl, give me some of that. We stay out till the sun. It's in the mood. Ain't nobody stop us. We want to live it out till the sun. It's in the burn up. Ain't nobody stop us. We want to live it out. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. We want to live it out. me some of that. Out to the sun, twisted and burn up. Can your body stop us? We gon' delirious. Out to the sun, twisted and burn up. Can your body stop us? We gon' delirious. La 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 la. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. We gon' delirious.
Coming up on that tag.
Gonna take a ride straight
Here it
up.
comes. Step, turn, step, turn, drop it down, bring it up, cross and turn, step, turn, step, turn.
Some of that.
Sorry. Cross, here we go. Some of that's tag, wasn't it?
Give me some of that. Everybody. Out to the sun, twisted and burn up. Can your body stop us? We gon' delirious. Out to the sun, twisted and burn up. Can your body stop us? We gon' delirious. La 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 la. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. We gon' delirious. Gonna take a ride straight up on that kid.
Woo! That is a cardio. So much fun. Although Scully didn't seem to be overly excited. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys coming out here once again to learn to dance on my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so. And you can like it and comment, share it, that would be awesome. If you want to slow down the video, you can do that on YouTube. That little wheel for settings, hit it, and you'll see a playback mode, and you can bring it down. Also, I will have the step sheet posted right in the explanation there too, so if you want to double check that. So again, if you're in Los Angeles, that's where I teach, and I would love to see you when you're here. And Scully and I say thank you, and again, we appreciate you coming here to see us. Take care.